Hi, welcome back to Guitar on the Beach. Today I have the guitar. I have wear it a little bit before, but it's not brown enough, so we're gonna clean it and gonna put some paint on it right now. Now I'm gonna put some paint on it. And I'm gonna make the another side. While waiting for it dry, I'm gonna clean up a little bit with this. Seems to dry okay right now, so I'm gonna use some sanding paper. Do a little bit sanding. So now I'm gonna put a sticker on the headstock. I got the Fender one. I'm thinking about also put the custom shop logo on. So now I already put a headstock on. I'm gonna wait for it to dry, and here I put a custom shop on it. Very cool. I put aside, wait for it to dry. Meanwhile, waiting for it to dry, I'm gonna do something else. I'm gonna put this pickup on, and this time I use this, you can see, yeah, that's the pickup I'm gonna use this time. And I think I'm gonna have a very vintage sound. First thing I'm gonna find. Oh wait, they didn't give me the wire for the rack, so I have to do it myself. So, oh wait, they actually do not have to connect this. The back piece. Surprise! I wonder why they didn't put it on. But let me put a bridge on for now. So now this part is done. And we're gonna put some lacquer on this thing now. So we put some lacquer on, and now we're gonna wait for it dry. And while waiting for it dry, we're gonna put this together. Now I'm gonna test, do it sound anything. So now we already tested as okay. I just have to put this screw in. After we make sure all line perfectly, I'm gonna put a screw in now. So now basically after put on the tuning key, it's totally done. Thank you, see you next time.